So Arsenal 2, Sevilla D team 0. They literally rested everyone for their derby game, the Seville derby at the weekend against Betis. When I see the lineup, I was like, light work, nice little 3-0. Obviously, it ended up 2-0, but it was light work. Our goalkeeper literally didn't make a save until the 97th minute or whatever it was. It was the only shot they had all game. The defence literally could have had a deck chair out, a spliff, a beer, a glass of red, and just coasted really. Midfield, I'm not happy with Jorginho having the armband, but I'll tell you something, I thought he played all right tonight. And that pass, unbelievable. Wait a pass to spot the pass. And we weren't looking great when he did that. And that was a little bit of class in the game. It's very similar to last time we played him with Jesus doing the Cruyff turn at half time and putting Martinelli through. But Saka obviously squared it. Trossard scored. Saka then scored the second goal, game over. Got injured by the looks of it at the end of the game. Martinelli running around without any real quality at the end of it, but up the tempo. Declan Rice the same. Number 29, I'm calling him now. Again, Ghost. Great performance, Jez, with 10 men. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More. The link will be in the title, if I can squeeze it in. If not, it'll be in the description. And then straight after this, we're going to do player ratings. But, Jez, with 10 men, we're doing all right this season, aren't we?
Yeah, quite amazing, really. I mean, when I saw our midfield again, I thought, oh, dear. But, yeah, I respect to Jorginho. He did a job today. And that killer pass was class, man. But yeah, we still come back to the same problem, Lee, with this Havertz. I don't know. I don't know with this fella. He just seems to have absolutely no confidence, or he's an absolute dog crap player. That's the only two reasons. There's nothing else. Yeah, and we're playing with 10 men yet again. He had 3 opportunities today. Half decent. Not clear cut, but at least swing a bloody leg at it. You know what I mean? I mean, dear Christ. I mean,
the header in the first couple of minutes, mate.
Yeah.
Free header, back stick. 3 yards, 4 yards out, and you put it 6 yards wide.
I mean, where was he aiming his head? What, to the corner flag?
It was so unorthodox the way he went for that, wasn't it? Like,
I mean, come on, man. I mean,
he just don't inspire you at all. Like, it don't inspire you. You look at him and you just think, okay, show something. Yeah, make me eat my words. Yeah, make me say, cool, you played great today. I ain't seen nothing. Yeah, we're looking at bare minimums. Like, well, he had work rate. Well, he's supposed to have work rate. He had work rate to become a professional footballer. Yeah, work rate's the bare minimum of a professional footballer in any league, or even not even professional. Any league from 5 years up, all the way up, work rate. You're supposed to work. You're supposed to try. You're supposed to get stuck in. You're supposed to go forward. You're supposed to go backwards and defend. Yeah, you're supposed to be a team player. That is the bare minimum. But now show me something. Martinelli showed me something when 35, I'm calling him, came on. I actually thought he played well today when he came on. Yeah, it took a very quick throw in. Martinelli gets the ball. Again, great way to pass. And I'm like, right, cool. Saka's away. But he's gone a little bit wide. He's got 3 players. What do you do now? 29 was on his heels. If that is Erling Haaland, he is literally like a wildebeest running in there, waiting for a pass. Instead, Saka had to do it himself. And what a goal that was, by the way.
Class. Yeah.
What a goal. The way he chopped that back, he sent that geezer straight back to Hercules Square in Seville, bro. Like, real talk. Yeah. Unreal finish. But again, it's very reminiscent of when we played Sevilla away. Weren't a great game, although they played better last time. Weren't a great game, but 2 moments of real quality won us the game out there. Same again tonight.
Yeah, I mean, they were 2 top class goals. And it was, who was it? It was Zinchenko. He had a great opportunity, you know.
Mate, if he had scored that, what a hit.
It had to take the back of the net out. If
no, that was like Zidane against Leverkusen Champions League final.
And that's what I expect to see from these
But
players.
maybe we should play him in that position. Play him in the Odegaard role.
Well, who knew? Who knew? That's maybe where he does his best service. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why they took Tomiyasu off. I thought he was doing well, but the fact is that I think they were a poor Seville team today. They were poor. Let's get it honest. I mean, one shot, as you said, 96th minute from a team of that level. Nah, it's not good enough. But we've nearly got the job done. We're 1 point away, I think it is. That 1 point away from actually qualification now.
Yeah, and PSV done us a favour tonight because they beat Lons.
Yeah, yeah.
If Lons had won, then it would have been, I'm in an R in whether we then top the group and it's now more on that game. Yeah, PSV sorted that right out. So we get a draw against Lons, we're qualified.
Who have we got next? Is it PSV?
No, Lons. Yeah, we've got Lons. So if we beat them, yeah, PSV have got Sevilla. And I think it's at Sevilla. I may be wrong, but if it is at Sevilla, PSV ain't beating them.
No.
Yeah, at their ground, they're pretty good. Away from home, they're shocking.
Yeah, I mean, let's be honest. You know, I said from day one, this is probably one of the easiest groups in this Champions League, and we should easily top the table and qualify. We made it a little bit shaky when we lost at Long, but you know, it still doesn't really right up. I mean, to me, that stadium tonight was flat. It was quiet. There was no atmosphere. I mean, I'll ask Kenny this when I speak to him, but it just didn't seem much of it to me. The problem I still say, Lee, is this. All this does is just paper over with toilet paper over the cracks again. Those cracks will come back, and this weekend we've got Burnley. We know what they can be a naughty little team. So I'm still not convinced.
Well, we see Luton against Liverpool, didn't we? You never know.
I'm
literally never know,
man. I'm still not convinced by this manager at all, and I never will be because the bloke's a bloody clown. But he got away with it tonight. Havertz, mate, no, your time's done, I'm afraid. If Arteta's got any balls about him, come January, he's going to have to stand up and say, we've cocked up here.
Yeah, get
him off the pay, because he is robbing a living, that guy. Right? He is shameful. He's one of the worst players in my top 10. And I could do a 9 worst players at Arsenal. He's one of the bloody worst.
We've seen some bad ones as well. You've seen more than I have.
Well, you and I, we've all seen some bloody awful players at Arsenal. This guy is shocking, man. Week in, week out, we're playing with 10 men.
You just want to see something from him where it's like...
Yeah, I'm desperate to see something from him.
It's like he nearly scored a cracking goal tonight, but it's nearly scored a cracking goal. If that's Saka in that position, it's in the back of the net. If that's Martinelli, it's a goal. If that's Trossard, it's a goal. It's like, fair enough. But he wins his duels. All I see him do is run around, hiding behind the referee, standing in positions where it's a dangerous pass, because if he miscontrols it, then they're on the front foot, so they can't pass to you, so they'll pass somewhere else. Yeah, he just jogs around in circles. He gets muscled off the ball so easily. Yeah, and I'm not a big guy. You're not a big guy. But he's tall and skinny. Yeah, 6'4", and he can't win every header. Like, come on, mate. 6'4". Erling Haaland's 6'4". Yeah, look at the way he jumps. Yeah, and he's massive, so he probably weighs more than him. So it takes more for him to get off the ground than it does for him. So surely, as a whippet, a skinny guy, you can, like, come on, man. Whenever I see a ball go up back stick, Erling Haaland, you know it's going in the back of the net, and if it ain't, it's a mad save. With this guy, he's all off balance like a baby giraffe. He's the only downside for me tonight, because despite Saka not playing great, despite Martinelli not looking up and putting quality balls in, yeah, they had a go, and ultimately, yeah, fair enough, Martinelli didn't win us the game, but Saka, yeah, Jorginho, the rest of them, they all actually put a performance in that I was like, cool. It weren't great, but you can't be disappointed. No. Yeah, whereas I'm disappointed with him. It's like, show me something, mate. We're playing against a reserve Sevilla team who drew with 10 men Celta Vigo at the weekend. Went 1-0 down. They drew 2-2 to Cadiz the other day. Yeah, it's like, come on, we're not talking prime Barca here. When everyone was hyping it up, Jez, oh, we got a great result away to them. It's not Galacticos Real Madrid or Pep's Barcelona. They're not that good. No. Yeah, their backline the other week when we played them, 2 37-year-olds and 2 31-year-olds. Yeah, and it was only 2 moments of magic from Jesus that we won the game. And we very nearly threw it away. Yeah, tonight, it weren't like we were peppering their goalkeeper. And I'm like, mate, I swear, we come up against Real Madrid. We come up against Atletico. I watched them last night. Unbelievable performance. Yeah, they've been great all season. Same as Real. Yeah, we come up against Bayern Munich. Kane scored a brace again tonight. Like, we come up against an elite level team. Even Shakhtar away if we get them. Like, because if we get, well, we are going to get out of the group. I think the games are in February.
Yeah.
You don't want to go Ukraine in February.
No.
Unless you're dropping Zinchenko off.
Well, the thing is, Lee, it's just, I mean, when you looked at our bench tonight, right? Look, I'm looking at that before the game, yeah, and I'm thinking, who the hell of quality have we got to come on? Zinchenko, maybe.
He's probably the best player offensively in terms of passing and ability on the bench.
Yeah, but I still question this. And I was chatting with other people. I can't remember whatever show it was I was on this week. I can't remember. I've done quite a few this week. You know, I still question certain elements of what's going on at this club. And I'd still say, and I will say it again, what is going on with Partey, because I still think him and Arteta have fallen out. And this is what Arteta does. If you stand up to him, he doesn't like it, and you're out the bloody door. And I'm convinced, man, we will never see Partey play for this club again. He'll be gone in January. And I'm sorry, we can't afford to lose these players like that because we don't have the depth. You know, if we're serious, if we are seriously going to try for this Champions League or the Premier League or the FA Cup, which I know we won't because he'll throw that one in the bin, as he always does. But no, it's not good enough, man. It was a great result tonight. It's, you know, it gets us nearly over the line. All we need now is a draw, and we're through. And got to help us when we get into the quarterfinals.
Facts. And on that bombshell, we'll wrap this up. Make sure you sub to Arsenal History and More. Big up to Jez. Make sure you check out Matty's fan cam, Kenny's fan cam, my fan cam. Me and Jez are going to go and record player ratings right now. So make sure you check that out. That'll be out in about half hour. And tomorrow, I am back at 1 p.m. UK time with Saeed.
Okay.
With Saeed, he's going to be in meltdown. Them United fans, oh my God, they can't catch a break. Flawless and Northside to be on as well. I'm then straight on after that with, I think, James Redmond. I need to text him. Worst ways, Goonie. And if I am on with James, then I'll have to nudge Goonie back another hour. And then I'll be doing a watch along for the Europa League. I ain't decided what game yet, but that'll be on Lee Reacts. Link in description. We're out of here. Laters.